Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to lock your WhatsApp app. If you want to protect your chats and keep your privacy secure, you can easily lock WhatsApp using your fingerprint or biometric unlock feature. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Now tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Then go to Settings. Next, scroll down and tap on Privacy. Now scroll again and select App Lock. Here, turn on the option Unlock with Biometric. Once it's turned on, choose when WhatsApp should lock after you leave the app. You'll see three options: immediately, after 1 minute, and after 30 minutes. Select any option according to your preference. And that's it. Your WhatsApp is now locked, and only you can open it using your fingerprint or biometric unlock. So that's how you can easily lock your WhatsApp app for better privacy and security. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.